Welcome to learning how to use your Callander Library account. This is useful for placing holds, finding new titles, and managing your loans. So the first thing we need to do is go to the Callander Public Library website and hit log into your account. Now in the top bar here you can see log in again, so we'll click on this. And it gives you the place to put in your library card number and your PIN. So all you have to do is enter in your library card number, and your PIN, unless you've changed it, is books. Then we hit log in. This brings us back to the main page, except now we're logged in. So if we go to the top bar and hit my account, this shows you the personal information that you have, including when your privilege expires, which can be especially useful for some of our out-of-town members. You can also look at your checkouts to see what you have and if it's overdue. This is also where you can renew books. You can also check your holds and your fines. So as we can see, even staff members are delinquents and I have fines. We can also see accruing fines to see what's currently still building fines and payment history of other things that I have owed money on. Now if we hit the little house button on the left hand side, it'll bring us back to this main page again, and we can search for new titles. Now if you're just searching for things in the library, make sure you change the drop down that says everything to library search. And then you can type in the title, author, subject that you're interested in and hit search. This will bring up anything that goes along with the search terms you've used, and if you like something, you can hit place hold. Now, if it's already available in the library, we'll call you shortly to let you know that it is available. Otherwise, you might have to wait until the previous patron returns it. If you would like to manage your holds, we'll just simply go back to my account and then holds, and I can cancel the hold. Now we can hit the house button again to bring us back to our main page to check out some of our new releases, or this is our advanced search if you would like to be more specific. And now we'll take a look at our new releases. So on the left here, if you hit new fiction, it'll show you the newest titles we have in our fiction collection. And you can scroll through using the little buttons on the side here to see what we have, and just simply click on a title for more information if you're interested. On the left, you can also then hit new video if you want to see what our newest movies are that we have available, and use the same process to place holds on these so that you can pick them up whenever they become available for you.